Hi! In front of me is Samsung Galaxy Z Flip4 5D, and today I would like to show you how you can use one-handed mode on this Samsung. You need to start by opening device's settings and scrolling down, then select advanced features. Now scroll down again, click on one-handed mode and tap on this switcher to activate it. Then click on one of those options to reduce display size with gesture or button. I will go with button, so I have to click on it and follow all instructions below. Double tap the home button. So when I do that, as you can see, one-handed mode is now enabled. If you wish to scale it, you can always do that by holding one of its corners and dragging it. If you wish to change placement of it, click on this little icon on one of its sides. And if you wish to go back, click on the blurry area. In order to disable one-handed mode completely, tap on the switcher one more time. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!